Honey, every romantic relationship you'll ever have will be a failure, except the last one. Do you think this is the last relationship you're ever going to have?
I want it to be.
How'd you pull this off?
I made a promise.
Yeah. What's that?
Well, I can sleep with you. We can't have sex. Can you make that promise?
I'd rather not. You promise no sex. That leaves out a lot.
Yeah. What happened?
Because he's not the last one. How come you're always right?